What's going on, guys? Joe here at RestoMods.com, and we've got an awesome new product in our store. It's an orbital polishing kit from our friends at Golden Shine. They are the industry leaders in taking care of your car and keeping it clean. And what better car to test this new product out on than my 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt. She is a trooper, she's a warrior, and unfortunately that means sometimes there can be a lot of scratches and swirl marks on her. So what better car to demonstrate this awesome product on, and let's open her up. All right, guys, this is everything that comes in the polishing kit. You've got your instructions, of course. Number one, you have your flex polisher. You also have this handle attachment. This is corded, so you will want to plug it in somewhere. Here is the pad attachment. Here are the pads, the Golden Shine Original Formula Swirl Remover, the Golden Shine Ultimate Paint Polish, Golden Shine Original Formula Premium Wax. Without further ado, let's put this thing together and let's do this. All right, guys, step one here, we've got the medium pad and we've got the swirl remover. You're going to apply 4 dots, just like that. We're just going to do this. We're just going to tap it around. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to, with the setting on 1, we're just going to spread it around some. All right, guys, now that we've spread the product around, now we are going to crank this up to 5. And now here's when we really get into it. You can already see there's more gloss here than on this side. So you can tell that this product does a great job of really getting all that compound off the top layer of your paint. Now we're going to just kind of finish this off with the polish now. All right, guys, now we have our softer pad, and I'm going to put this Ultimate Paint Polish, 4 spots again. All right, so now we're going to crank this to 4, setting 4. All right, so we've got cream wax on the finishing pad. I'm going to set this to 1. All right, guys, we are all finished. It looks fantastic. Golden Shine, again, impresses me with their incredible products. If you have a classic or modern muscle car that needs taking care of in your garage, you really need to pick up this flex polishing kit from Golden Shine. It's incredible. It looks great. You can just tell that it's this nice glossiness here, and it looks a lot better than this side, where you can still see all these just top layer scratches on the surface of the paint. And that swirl remover makes quick work of those top layer scratches on this side over here. So again, we hit it with the swirl remover first to just get all those top layer scratches out. We added some more gloss with the Ultimate Paint Polish, and then we sealed that and protected it with the original cream wax. Guys, get yourself one of these polishing kits from Golden Shine. They are awesome. It will take care of your car itself. All you gotta do, go to RestoMods.com, grab any of the Golden Shine products that are in our store, including this polishing kit, and you'll actually get entries to win the RestoMod of your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Go to RestoMods.com now.